Phil Peters, who was a professional in the racing industry, started the company back in the early 80s. Professional and semi-professional racers and hobbyist enthusiasts didn't have access to the type of tooling and machinery that the professional racing industry had. That was the reason that he started Pro Tools and had it since early 80s through 2006 when my husband purchased the business. He passed away in September of 2013, and my children and I decided that we would come in and continue his work to continue to grow the business and turn it. As it turned out, 10 years later, here we are. And I think what was so important to us was that we came in learning the business. None of us had experience in manufacturing, but we quickly fell in love with it and saw a lot of possibilities and had a vision to grow it. We have looked upon government contracting as really taking us to the next level. So we're actively pursuing that, have done extensive research and are getting certifications and training. And I think that will be round us out very nicely into the future.
Pro Tools is a metal fabrication company. We build tube and bender equipment, also some sheet metal equipment. Our industries go from anywhere from just a shop in your garage, just a hobbyist, all the way up to some very large industry, Boeing, NASA, SpaceX. Pretty much all the big companies use our products as well. All of our products are made right here in Tampa, Florida. We also source steel from the Midwest, so we try to use American steel, and I think that's a differentiator for us. We have a very small team, but all the employees really take pride in their work, and so I think that's something that Pro Tools really prides themselves on. It's a very family-centered environment. All the employees really care for each other. As a managed individuals, they're always looking out for each other. If someone's having a difficult time at a particular piece of equipment and a machine, someone next to them is always willing to come over and help them troubleshoot the problem. Really, the culture here is a really nice one to work in.
What makes us different than our competitors is not just our product. In truth, some of our competitors produce very good product and has a similar form and functionality. But we like to differentiate ourselves on a couple of other things. Number one is our commitment to our quality. We have really matured as an organization over the years in terms of our commitment to that, and we're on the brink of pursuing an ISO 9001 certification and an AS 9100D quality certification, which is an aerospace and defense certification. And we've continued to just up our game with that throughout the years. And like I said, we've had vendors, in circulation for the entire lifetime from those original vendors that we sold. And so the quality was great to start with, but we're not going to rest. We want to continue to iterate and improve our quality. And we're really excited about that. The other thing is customer service, and that's kind of a blanket thing that a lot of companies say. But it really matters with respect to the products we sell and make for our customers. The parts of the industry that we're involved in are very technical. And so when you buy a product, it's really important to have post-sale support around that. And that's all free with us. I'm really optimistic about the future of Pro Tools right now. We're in a position now where things are growing and we're really excited. In the past few years, we've decided to ramp up our contract manufacturing, so making parts for other customers. And we were very fortunate. We already had some customer relationships we were doing that with, and pretty much as soon as we decided that we were going to do more of that, some of those customers started asking for more stuff from us. And so we were able to make more parts for customers and build those relationships even more. And that's probably going to be the most rapidly growing part of our business. And there are a lot of tools that we're looking at bringing in, complicated milling and turning centers, but also a big part of the future of the company is going to be automation. With automation, we can use the team we have to essentially triple our output. That's going to free us up to make more parts for more customers and make more complex parts and increase lead times and delivery. We realize that tube benders and tooling and metal fabrication tools are a big investment for a lot of people. They are for me. To know that, I'll never have to worry if if Pro Tools is going to be in business anymore, if I can get another set of tooling, or if the company's going to go out of business and I have to buy a whole new bender and tooling kit setup. That's not the case with us. We've been around and we've been doing it for a while, and we're going to continue to do it. That's something we want to hold on to, and we're very proud of that heritage with our company, and we're going to continue that legacy.